Hello boss, did you hear some noise? This room is made of our gypsum board. You heard it now. Amazing. So boss, tell us